Hello. I was on the internet recently and I found a new website called Iteration3D. I thought I'd share this with my YouTube viewers. So this is a configurable 3D models for 3D printing, and this is quite interesting. Website's name is iteration3d.fr. And let me just go into technical parts. I'm going to go into, let's see, or actually just click here so we can see some of the few things they do. So to your dimensions in a few clicks, so you can build things like this automatically. So let's look at this little piece right here. Let's click on that, and let's say we wanted to create one of these. All right, let's say we wanted to create a multi-compartment box STL for 3D printing purposes, and each of the compartments is 45 by 45. So we can go through here and we can modify this, and we can download it for free. So I don't know how long it will be for free, but this is pretty awesome. So number of rows, you put in number 1 right here. Let's take a look at this picture. So number 1 doesn't even show number 1, just tells me number of rows, so that, you know, you put in, say you want 3 rows, 3 columns, so that's what this one would show. And then compartment length, so number 3 is this guy right here. He's going to be that 45. Then number 4, can't see it properly. Number 4 is going to be 45. So it's going to be square, and then height of that is 45, wall thickness of 4, and fillets on the inner corners of the radiuses are 3. So that's pretty cool. Let's go through and create one of these. Let's create our own. So we're going to over here, we're going to go create a new model, click on that guy right there, and then based on this one, yeah, we can do it based. And what we'll do is we'll just adjust this number of rows. We'll do like 2 rows. Right now it's showing 3 by 3. So we're doing a 2 by 3, and length of it 45 sounds good. Width of it, let's say this is 15, or no, let's make that 20. Height is let's say 25, so about 1 inch tall. And then wall thickness in millimeters, let's do 2 millimeters wall thickness, and radius of 2 also. And this model will be generated with the following characteristics. CC by Creative Commons, so attribution and commercial use is allowed. So it will generate an STL for me. And let's verify before launching. Let's click that. This shows you what your parameters are. And let's go to launch generation. So we're going to wait about 4 minutes. The generation request has been successfully received. Estimated wait time is 4 minutes. We're going to wait till this kind of queues up, and I'll pause at this moment, and then we'll finish when it's 100%. Here's my model that it just created. Okay, and so it's a 2 by 3. And now if I want to download that, I'm going to go over here and click on right here. I have the read and agree to terms of use. Download, I am human. Download. There we are. So here it is, popped up in my downloads. I'm going to double click on that, and I'm going to go to extract all. And there is the, there's like a text file here. Let's go down, and looks like the STL. It's quite long. So I'm going to import this into Cura. Cura is a 3D slicer. Now I'm going to take this model and drag and drop it into here. And there it is. Let's take a look at this guy. So we can't truly measure this very well. I don't know how Cura, you know, can you measure wall to wall, but that looks, you know, pretty accurate. And it's a complete model. And all I did is put in the parameters. Now let's do a slice here. 1 hour and 47 minutes on Creality K1SE model. So if you wanted to make this, you would just hit save to disk and then send it to your 3D printer. But yeah, this is pretty awesome to have this ability. So thanks for watching. Bye.